Endure. Have you been suffering for some time now? Yung feeling mo di mo na kaya, gusto mo nang mag-give up. Pero alam mo, endure. Para sa isang runner, napakahalaga ng endurance. And it has a lot to do with the mind. Kasi minsan yung katawan natin gusto nang mag-give up. Pero pag pinupush ng ating utak, na kaya pa, we get a boost. Mas malayo pang nararating natin. Pero paano nga ba mag-endure? Paano ka ba tatagal? Walang-wala na nga, di ba? Kapos na kapos ka na. First is, don't think that your state right now is forever. Temporary lang yan. Kahit mahaba. Pero hindi forever yan. Malalagpasan mo rin yan. Second, know that kasama mo si God. His Spirit will empower you to endure. And you're enduring that for a bigger reason. Baka pinapalakas ka ni Lord. Baka hinahanda ka ni Lord. Ang importante, don't give up. Kasama mo ang Diyos in enduring all of these. Third is, take it one day at a time. Kasi life can get overwhelming. Pero focus on today. Try to solve what you can solve today. Have strength for the day. At alam mo, unti-unting maaayos yan. My prayer for you is for you to have the strength na tumagal pa. Because the result of this is that you will go from strength to strength. And just like a runner, maabot mo rin yung finish line mo.